What's up, guys? Bought this 2008 BMW 323 for cheap. Previous owner kept on cranking the car because it wouldn't run or get it started, eventually killing the starter. So I replaced the starter and it still will not run. So I'm gonna take the valve cover off and see what's going on and see if it's timed properly and go from there, and I'll let you guys know. Right, got the valve cover off. What I noticed was the cams, they weren't lining up. As you can see, the data matrix, and those are supposed to be level. Right now I got them lined up, but I was just moving this back and forth and it seems like it wasn't locking into place. So now it's unlocked. You can see they're not lined up anymore. When I was cranking the engine, they weren't lining up, and then they would line up. And this right here might be bad. So now it's locked into place. And that one was locked. That's where we're at. Might end up changing that bad boy right there, the adjustment unit for the VANOS.